The journey of Towards Future started in the year of 2008 with a mission to see all children in school and to ensure an environment where all children and women can lead a safe and secure life. Our vision is to impart preschool and primary school education, provide learning support to the children, and to ensure child protection by promoting campaign against child marriage and child labor.
এখানে কাজ করছি 12 বছর ধরে। তো কিছু চেঞ্জেস তো আমরা লক্ষ্য করছি অন দ্যাট বেসিস, এবং আমাদের যেটা অবজেক্টিভ বা গোল বলো সেটা থেকেই আমার যেটা মনে হচ্ছে নিয়ার ফিউচারে আমি দেখতে চাই যে অঞ্চলটায় আমরা কাজ করছি সেখানটায় যাতে স্কুল ড্রপ আউটটা রিমার্কেবলি কমে, এবং অ্যাট দ্য সেম টাইম স্কুল ড্রপ আউট কমলে আরও যে দুটো ফ্যাক্টর আমাদের এখানে ম্যাটার করে স্কুল ড্রপ আউট, সেটা হচ্ছে চাইল্ড ম্যারেজ আর চাইল্ড ড্রপ আউট, চাইল্ড লেবার। এই দুটোকেও যদি আমরা কমাতে পারি, সুতরাং বোথ আর ইন্টারলিঙ্কড, তাহলে কিন্তু আমি চাইল্ড ড্রপ আউটটা অটোমেটিক্যালি কমিয়ে দিতে পারি।
Towards Future has been involved in a number of projects focused on the upliftment of the society. Project Sishumon aims to spread awareness about the importance of basic education and civil values among children. Project BTF Kalyani encourages children to pursue education. BTF Wipro Cares Learning Center is a project run in collaboration with Wipro Cares Trust. Matrimon project is all about generating consciousness among the parents regarding education.
We want to change the life of the children as well as the parents, because if we concentrate only on children and if we leave the parents, that will not work at all.
Project Susiksha aimed to impart computer literacy, while Uttaran was an initiative taken for the children of brickfield workers. Smile, a child sponsorship program, was also introduced at the same time. With a lot of events and activities in these 4 years, Towards Future was ready for the long journey ahead.
Here we practice a very no hierarchy kind of a culture, and because we do that, the people who work with us, they take their own decisions, they work it out on their own. It's a culture where they are the same that you do with your family. So I think it's a beautiful culture because there is ownership. The basis of it is ownership.
As they say, the whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. Towards Future inaugurated a primary school called Kids Planet Learning Center in the year 2013.
Kids Planet is a formal primary school which caters to children, which provides the quality education to the children, as they can prepare themselves, they can enjoy their learning, and they can express whatever they are learning in writing or in reading.
With each passing year, all the projects kept on growing. Mukti was an initiative taken to promote educational rights of the children of migrant laborers. The school projects started dealing with more children now due to its attractiveness and benefits.
আমাদের এত বছরের একটা অর্গানাইজেশন, 12 বছর নিজেদের কোনো নিজস্ব কোনো জায়গা নেই। স্কুল চালাচ্ছি বা লার্নিং সেন্টার চালাচ্ছি, সব কিছুই আমরা ভাড়াতে চলেছি, সেটা ভীষণভাবে ফান্ড নির্ভর এবং কন্ট্রাক্ট নির্ভর। আজকে এই বছর আমাদের কন্ট্রাক্ট শেষ হচ্ছে এই প্লেসটা। আমি জানি না নেক্সট ইয়ার ওরা যদি এমন কোনো ভাড়া বাড়ায়, আমাকে তো মুভ অন করতে হবে, যেটা আমার আগে এই প্রি স্কুলের ক্ষেত্রেও করেছি। এইটা আমার কাছে বড় অবস্ট্রাকল।
Life is all about celebrating little joys. Similarly, Towards Future conducts workshops, campaigns, and events throughout the year.
We do voluntary activities with the kids. Okay, like the Wipro employees who are there, we visit every often actually. Even during the pandemic, having a social COVID-19 guideline, we went over there. Like a quarter ago, they have done the drawing competitions where almost more than 200 children participated. We went over there just to encourage that what you all are doing is commendable. So in this way, often we are supporting every now and then, and when there is even requirement to provide any sort of education, so we do that actually.
Often, it is believed that sports are meant to be played by boys. Project Udan tries to break that stereotype and encourages young girls and women to play sports. Project Amar Pathshala works towards providing education to the tribal children, and the skill development program empowers women by giving wings to their skills. COVID-19 has had a huge impact on the world. The pandemic deprived a lot of people of the basic amenities such as food, clothing, and shelter. Towards Future did relief work in multiple places to help the ones affected.
Yeah, a lot of things has changed because now the education has gone through the virtual education, which was not which we the kids never think of it because only the problem I find it over there. They don't have the smartphones which required actually, but still they are providing educations and managing every now and then to provide all sort of educations which require for these kids actually. And in fact, we also have been in touch with through virtual because during the pandemic it was not allowed. The visitors were not allowed. Even we also were not allowing any visitors. But as the situation gradually changes and the vaccination has come, we are going small and small steps going better.
In my childhood, when we go to the school, we go to the classroom, teacher comes and gives some speech and he or she done. But in our school, I try to give them a joyful learning.
That is the problem in their study because of their parents. For that economical demand, their parents they force them to go to work.
When we start our class, then we do some meditation. That brings freshness. Then we can start some story. Actually, it is not from the books. It's their daily life.
We also teach them about the hygienes, about their dress up, disciplines, physical education, physical exercise, songs, dance, dramas, etc. So I want to change their mind.
So, how to handle a phone conversation?
Hello. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine. So, will you come tomorrow in spoken English class?
We conduct this class with Towards Future in order to enhance the communication skills of everyone so that in future everybody can prosper in life and get into different fields of business, teachers, and get into better professions so that everybody can start earning well and be competitive in our society.
আমাদের যেটা মনে হচ্ছে জিওগ্রাফিক্যাল যে এলাকাটা আমরা কাজ করছি, ধরো এই নর্থ টোয়েন্টি পারমানাস বা সাউথ টোয়েন্টি পারমানাস, সেখানে আরও ডেপথে কাজ করা হয়। কিন্তু যদি লিটারেসি রিলেটেড কোনো এক্সপ্যানশন হয়, অফকোর্স উই আর দেয়ার। সেটা যেমন আমাদের রিসেন্টলি আমরা ভাবনা চিন্তা করছি লিটারেসিতে লাইব্রেরি একটা খুব ভালো কাজ করতে পারে। ওকে, তাহলে আমরা যদি একটা কমিউনিটি আমাদের এই স্পেসটাকে ইউজ করে যদি কমিউনিটি লাইব্রেরি করতে পারি, যাতে আরও বেশি করে বাচ্চা এবং তাদের বড়রা পড়াশোনা করতে পারে, সেই ধরনের এক্সপ্যানশন কিন্তু এই অঞ্চলে, নট জিওগ্রাফিক্যাল এক্সপ্যানশন। প্রজেক্ট এক্সপ্যানশন সেটুকুই হবে যেটা আমার লিটারেসি প্রোগ্রামকে সাপোর্ট করে। তো এই মুহূর্তে আমরা ওই বিভিন্ন স্কুলগুলোতে কাজ করতে ইন্টারেস্টেড, আরও লাইব্রেরি প্রোগ্রামটাকে ইউজ করতে ইন্টারেস্টেড।